Now we'll open a data set. So I kept a data pdive abc folder. This this data. This is ID, this is age, gender, BMI, income level, sugar consumption, yes, no. This is heart disease, yes, no. This is a sample data. We will use this data. This is simulated data. So if you share data with any person, no problem. For learning purpose, I prepared this data. So from the resource option, please download the data and work with me. Now we'll open. First, we have to run. How to run? Just we can select and run, or we can keep cursor anywhere. Here, 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 and run. But we will not select partially like this or like this or like this. Then it will be not run. It will be give error. For example, this error. So either we have to select full or we can keep anywhere. For example, this. Okay. Now we will open the data. First, we have to give a name. For example, my data. Then we have to use this symbol. Sorry, this symbol. Then read underscore Excel. And within the first bracket, we have to give the name. So we will open this data, but we will not type manually. We should not type manually. We will copy. How to copy? Just click right button and copy path. Just click copy path. Then paste. Paste. So in our keyboard, there are two slash. So we have to change the slash. In R, we will not use this slash. Just we have to use this slash. Delete this slash. So please write this code. Although I will share this code, but my recommendation, please write by yourself. Now run. Yes. This is our data set. So to view the data set, just click here. Click here. Yes, this is our data set. Study ID, age, gender, BMI, income level, sugar consumption, and our outcome variable, heart disease. So again, request, please write this syntax and run. Then you'll get this data. Thank you.